Hi everyone. Today I'll tell you how to block or unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and log into your account. Next, find the user's profile that you want to block. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar or finding their profile through a video or comment. Once you've found the user's profile, click on it to open it. Now, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, select the block option. Finally, confirm your decision to block the user by tapping on block again. The user will no longer be able to follow you, comment on your videos, or see your content. To unblock someone on TikTok, go to your profile by tapping on the Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the three bars in the upper right corner of the screen. Go into Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy and scroll down to the bottom, at the last option that appears. Select Blocked Accounts. Find the user you want to unblock from the list of blocked accounts. Finally, click on the Unblock button to unblock the user. They will be able to see your content again, and you can follow each other if desired. I hope video was helpful. Thanks for watching.